There's Connor. There's Sheba. Beaky. Beaky, what are you doing? Petey. Let me come over this way. There you go. There's Petey. Yeah, a little nervous. There's Mr. Carlos. There's Mr. Angus. There's Mr. Skittles. Here is the meat eater. He likes fingers. He is molting at this time. But that is Cooter. Hi, Cooter. Hi, Cooter. Hi, Cooter. What you doing? Hi, Cooter. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. No? Okay, we'll leave you alone. And here's the wild ones. They are, I can find them anywhere, Heckle and Jekyll. Two little green cheeks. So we'll go back over here and show you Beaky again. Beaky. Beaky. What are you doing? Okay, say bye.